Hey guys, what's up? So I'm starting another vlog. These are just going to be random clips like the last one was because I'm only going to film when something exciting's happening. And today I'm a little over 9 weeks pregnant and something exciting's happening. I ordered this sneak peek gender test. It's early detection. You can find out at 8 weeks because my doctor won't do a gender test until probably 20 plus weeks, and I'm impatient. So I'm going to clean this area really quick and figure out what we're having. It takes about probably next week we'll find out, so probably when I'm about 10 weeks. And I've heard that if it gives boy results, it can be skewed, but I'm gonna try to clean this area really well, and I'll try to show me doing it so you guys can see like what we're working with. Yes, there's toothpaste on my shirt. This is my pajama shirt right now, so just let me have a moment. So what I'm doing right now is just cleaning that surface that I'm gonna test on, because they said that even pet DNA can get in the way. So we don't want my kitty cats to take advantage of that. Okay, I'm going to take this little wipe. It says to use my ring finger, so it's probably gonna hurt like a bee. I'm about to have a baby. Oh my god, I hate this. How do I get this to go? Maybe if I just pinch it. I don't actually know how to get that even out. Okay, just go, bitch. You gotta do this. You have to do this. You don't have to, but you paid $70 for this. Ready? Just go. You're about to push a baby out of your vagina. It's not going. I got so ready and it didn't work. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Okay. That wasn't bad. I'm not gonna show you guys. Okay. So I've not been filming a lot of this stuff just because I want to live in the moment, and I know it sounds silly because I know that I would want to look back on these, but I feel like it's very impersonal to film our reactions. So that's why I didn't film a reaction to finding out this sneak peek. And also when we found out, I got the email when I wasn't around Jacob. I was actually traveling, and so I just called him and opened the email over the phone with him. I swore that we were having the opposite sex that we're having, but Jacob said he knew, so it wasn't that much of a surprise. The reason we didn't announce then was because I was nervous that testing was wrong. I have seen sneak peek be wrong for both male and females, and so I didn't want to announce until our doctor could confirm it. So we have some exciting news today, and I'm taking you guys along. We know what baby bear is. I went yesterday, which was a Thursday, for a surprise appointment because my blood pressure was high, and so I wanted to get it checked out for preeclampsia. I'm good, but while I was there, she could see what baby bear was, and we're not supposed to find out for another week. So I'm very excited. So my friend does photography. She's done our photos before, and she got us in right away to get our reveal photos done. Now, I want to say gender is not a big deal. We don't care either way, and I really don't want to make a big deal about it because I don't know what this baby is going to grow up to be or want or do or anything like that. So it feels weird celebrating what parts they have, but I do want to do this photo shoot for myself because I want to be extra and I want to have them to look back on. And I also think that it will help connect me to my baby. Not that I'm not connected already, but I feel like giving our child a gender, a sex, and a name and all that will make it feel more real. Because even I see the baby every time I go to the doctor. I still don't feel pregnant, and so I'm hoping that this will help connect me to my kid. So I hope that makes sense. I don't know if it's gonna make sense or not, but yeah, so we're gonna go get our pictures taken right now. I actually ordered smoke cannons online on Amazon, but they did not come in time. They're not gonna be here till like the middle of October, so we had to run to Walmart and try to get something really quick. I'm wearing like this black romper. My belly's large and in charge. It's from Blushmark. They sent over some stuff for me to review for you. This romper's really nice. It's really comfortable, so we just went with the black little theme, and I'm wearing a brown hat, and we're gonna do like a little witchy type feel, I think is kind of what our plan is, but I'm excited. We just finished. I didn't shoot in much while we were there, but I got some little clippy clips. I'm super excited. We got like this little, like, what is it called? Lantern, a little lantern, and she's gonna like edit some stuff in there. I don't know what she's gonna do, but she's gonna do some of her magic. She's super talented, so I trust her fully. But now we're gonna go get some food, and then Jacob's gonna rush home because he's gonna go play disc golf. So it is several days after the photo shoot, and we got our photos back, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this up and announced for you guys. Jacob's at work right now, but he's gave me permission to post these and to announce what we're having. I am so excited to say that our little baby bear is a baby boy. We're having a little baby boy, and I am so excited. I thought for the longest time that this little baby was a girl, but like I said, we knew at 10 weeks based on the blood test that he was a boy, and we've been calling him a boy up until this point, but I swore that we were having a little girl. I have pictured myself as a boy mom from the moment I got pregnant, and now I know that we're having a little boy. I'm so excited to meet our little dude, and I cannot wait to see my body change and my belly grow and to meet our little dude. I'm so excited. So we're having a little baby boy. I'm gonna insert some of the pictures here for you guys to look at, and they'll also be on my Instagram. I'll post them periodically, I'm sure, but I also want to add this in here because I feel like I'm going to get asked, why didn't we do blue for our reveal? I didn't want to do pink and blue. I think that is silly. It just doesn't match us. We went with orange and purple, so purple would have been a girl, orange would have been a boy, and that's why the pictures have orange in them. I wanted to kind of go for like a Halloween spooky witchy vibe, so that's why there's orange and not blue. Little baby bear is a boy, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys for watching this very random vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you guys haven't. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.